Hello, Win.
Hello, teacher.
Win, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, how was your day?
I have a good day.
Oh, really? Now, Win,
Yes,
repeat after me. Say, I had a good day. I had. I
I
had.
had I had
Okay,
a good day.
that's good. Tell me about it, Win.
I play football every
Okay.
day.
Woo. Okay, did you score any goal? Did you score any goals? Did you score any goal, Win?
Yes,
How many goals did you score?
3.
Three? Wow, that's amazing. Okay, that's good, Win. And what else did you do today? What else did you do today, Win?
Uh, what else did you do today? Uh, and I play in football.
You played
No.
football?
I play football every day, and I go to the cinema.
I went to the cinema. Say it, Win.
I went to the cinema.
Okay, and you did what at the cinema? What did
Yes,
you do at the cinema, Win?
I watched film.
You watched film?
Yes,
Okay, that's good. And did you have a lot of fun at the cinema?
yes,
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. So, Win, we're going to continue from where we stopped in our last class, okay? So, in our
yes,
last class, we did the comprehension check and we stopped here. Today, we're going to do the vocabulary check, okay? So, for the vocabulary check, I want you to fill in the blanks with these words in the box, okay? Easily is when something is very, very easy, okay? Perfect
yes,
is when something is very, very good. Practical is like practical skills. These are things we do with our hands, right? Score. I just asked you how many goals did you score, right? And you said you scored three. So you know score. Tools. Tools are the things that we use to work. Carpenters use them to work. They're like the hammers, the shovels, the saws, the cutlass, they're all called tools. So, Win, please tell me, what is the answer for number one?
is practical.
Practical. Okay, hold on, hold on. Practical. Okay. And what is the answer for number two, Win? Um,
Mm, two, two,
oh, did you say tools? Okay, tools. Tools. And what is the answer for number three, Win? Number three,
mm,
Win.
uh, Baroque, perfect,
Perfect. And number four,
easily,
easily. And number five,
soccer,
number five is what?
soccer,
Score, score, not soccer. Say score,
score,
score.
score,
Okay, that's good, Win. Now let's look at it. Number one, if you learn practical skills, you can use them in real life. That is correct. Hammers, saws, and shovels are examples of tools. That is also correct. I'm sure we will win the game quite easily. This one is quite easily. Easily. And number four, study harder if you want to get a perfect score. A perfect score. So number four is also not correct. Number five, Linda wants to score 3 goals. So number five is correct, Wayne. So you got 3 out of 5. Well done, Wayne. Now, Wayne, I want you to read all the sentences with the correct answers. Let's hear you. Let's hear you. Let's go, Wayne.
Um, yes.
Read all the sentences with the correct answers.
If you learn practical skill, skill, you can use them in relief, hammers, saws, and solves are examples of tools. I'm
Okay.
sure we will win in the game quite easily.
Okay.
Study hard if you want to get a refer scarf.
Okay.
Linda want to scarf.
Yeah.
She go in the game.
Okay. Okay, Wayne. Now we're gonna go to supporting the opinion practice. We'll start with the supporting opinion. So listen, Wayne. For the supporting opinion numbered 1 to 4, for each opinion here, there is one opinion here that perfectly supports this opinion. Okay? So if this opinion says we need to know times table, you will look for an opinion here that supports why it is important to know times table. Okay? Supporting
Yes.
is like agreeing. So the opinion from here has to agree with each opinion here. So when you're ready, please give me the answer. Okay, Win? Give me the answer when you're ready. What is the answer for number one? Look at it thoroughly. Don't be in a haste. Don't rush it. Just look at it and
Mm,
then tell me what is the answer.
we need to know 10 tables.
Yes.
Mm, mm. Because they are because because companies want workers who have who have a lot of skill.
Give me the A, B, C, or D. I don't want the words. Just the sentence. Just give me. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Tell me.
Is A.
Okay, and number two.
Number two is student need learn many different. Is number two is um, D.
Okay, and number three. Uh-oh. And number three.
Number three is learning variety skill event. Is C. Is
And
C.
number four. What is number
Is
four?
B. B.
Okay, now let's look at it, Win. So, number one says we need to know times table. And you chose A, which says because companies want workers who have a lot of skills. That is not correct. The answer is we need to know times table because we need to do math every day. So the answer is B. Number two, students need to learn many different subjects. And you chose C, which is because smart people know a lot of information. Because because smart people know. Okay, hold on. Let's see. So let me go to- Okay, so this one is correct. ADC. Okay, because smart people learning. Sorry, students need to learn many different subjects because they are no. Oh, it's not C. Oh, you chose D, not C. Because smart people know a lot of information. Why am I reading C and you chose D? Because they are helpful and interesting. No, the answer is C. The answer to this one is C. Learning practical skills is fun because you chose C because smart people. No, that is not the answer. The answer is because they are helpful and interesting. So number three is C. Oh, why did I? Oh, because they are helpful and interesting. Number three is D, not C. D. And number four is students need to learn many useful skills because companies want workers who have a lot of skills. Number four is A. Okay, so you didn't get anyone here. Come on, Win. Why? Win, read the opinion
Yes,
together with the supporting answers.
yes. Mm, We need to we need to know timetables because we need to do math every day. So students need to learn many different subjects because smart people know a lot of information.
Okay, continue.
Learn practice skill is fun because they are healthy and interesting. Students need to learn.
Helpful. They are helpful, not healthy.
They are helpful. Students
And
need to learn many useful skills because companies want to workers who have a lot of skills.
okay, now we're going to do the refuting opinion, Win. So the refuting opinion is just like the supporting opinion. For the refuting opinion, Win, for each opinion numbered 1, 2, 4, there is one opinion from A to D that perfectly disagrees that perfectly disagrees with the opinion. So for each opinion, for example, if number one says learning about other countries is a waste of time, you look for one opinion here that says otherwise, okay, that says something that is totally different from this, okay, but it also rhymes because this one is talking about countries, so you should look for what is also talking about countries, but its opinion is different from this one. That is why it's called disagreeing opinion, refuting opinion. Refuting is disagreeing. Supporting is agreeing. Do you understand, Win? Win.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now please do it. Tell me, what is the answer? Don't be in a haste. Don't rush it. Take your time and tell me the correct answer, okay, Win? What is
Yes.
the answer for number one?
Learning about other countries is a waste of time.
Hmm.
I disagree. If we learn one is C.
C, okay. And what about number two? Number two.
Mm.
What about number
Number
two?
two is D.
B. And number three?
It's A.
Okay. Number four?
B.
Okay. I see. Now let's see. Learning about other countries is a waste of time, and you chose C, which is I disagree. If we learn about different countries, we can understand our country better. Correct. Students need to learn practical skills to have a better life. And you chose D, which says I disagree. If people are good at school subject, they will have a better life. That is also correct. Wow, Win, you are on a roll. Way to go, Win. Okay. Students need to know how to fix things, and you chose A. I don't think so. We can get help from people who can fix things. Woohoo! Okay, that is correct. It is not a good idea to learn about something we will never use. And you chose B. I don't think so. If we learn about something that will help us understand our world better. Woohoo, Win, you. Way to go, Win. You did good. Wow. I gotta clap for this. Well done, Win. So, Win, I want you to read all the opinions together with the refuting answers. I see you understand it now, right? Right, Win?
Yes.
That's good. So please read all the opinions together with their refuting answers. Win, read it. I'm waiting. Why are you not reading?
Okay. Learning about other countries is a waste of time. I disagree. If we learn about different countries, we can understand our country better. Students need to learn practice skills to have a better. I disagree. If people are good at school subjects, they will have a better life. Students need to know how to fix things. I don't think so. I don't think so. We can get help from people who can fix things. It is not a good idea to learn about something we will never use. I don't think so. If we learn about something that will help us understand our work better.
Okay, that's good. Well done, Win. Now, Win, I want you to read. Please read the supporting opinion. And after reading the sporting opinion, I want you to tell me what you understand from what you just read, okay?
Yes.
Continue.
Read. Read.
Yes, read it.
Uh, Schools need to teach students practice skill. First, learning practical skills is much more fun than learning about useless facts. Students can learn how to use tools. They can also learn how to cook. There are skills they will always need. Second, many companies want workers who can solve real problems. Most students now we the best of our country, but not many of them know how to fix a computer. Companies really need people who have practical skill.
Okay, so explain to me what you understand from what you just read. Wayne, can you explain
Yeah.
to me what you just read? Okay, so
What?
look at this. For the supporting opinion, this is the main idea. And the main idea says that schools need to teach students practical skills. Practical skills. That means it agrees that schools should teach students practical skills. And it gives us two reasons. The first reason is that learning practical skills is more fun than learning useless facts. Students can learn how to use tools, they can learn how to cook, they can learn how to do practical skills that are very useful to the everyday life than learning school subjects. And then the second reason is that many companies want workers who can solve real problems. Most students know about the past of our country. Sorry, most students know about the past of their country, but not many of them know how to fix a computer. And that is because all they do is school subject. But companies really need people who have practical skills, who can fix real life problems. Now, Wayne, I want you to read the opposing opinion, Wayne. But do you understand what I just explained in the supporting opinion? Do you understand, Wayne?
Yes.
Good. Now, please read the opposing opinion.
Uh, Students need to learn many different subjects in school, such as math and science. Further work is changing really fast. Students need to learn as much reading as possible. Only then can they be successful. Second, learning school subjects can be fun. For example, many students say that they enjoy learning art skills. Some say that they enjoy doing science experiment. Enjoying learning is the most important thing in our life.
Okay, now listen, Win. Students need to learn many different subjects in school, such as math, science, and science. This is the main idea here, okay? Now, it gives us two reasons, which are the supporting ideas. The first reason is that the world is changing really fast. Students need to learn as much knowledge as possible. Only then can they be successful. That is the first reason. So it says if students learn these different subjects, they will be successful. Now, the second one says learning school subjects can be fun. For example, many students say that they enjoy learning art skills. Some say that they enjoy doing scientific experiments. Enjoying learning is the most important thing in our lives. Do you understand what I just read, Win?
Yes.
That's good. Now, I want you to circle the main ideas in the supporting opinion and the opposing opinion, and then underline the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion and the opposing opinion. Do that now, Win. Do it. Win, Win.
Uh, yes.
Circle the main idea in the supporting opinion and the opposing opinion, and then underline the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion and in the opposing opinion. I'm waiting. Do that now.
Uh,
Hello, Wayne. Yoo-hoo. I'm waiting.
hello, teacher.
Circle the main idea and the main idea in the supporting opinion and the opposing opinion, and the supporting idea in the supporting opinion and the opposing opinion. I've done this for you several times, so you should be able to do it now. Okay, so please do it. I'm waiting. Hurry up, our time is almost up.
Circle.
Yes, circle and then
I don't
underline.
have book. I don't have pencil.
Win. There is
Yes.
pencil. There is pencil on your screen. Look at your Zoom. You'll see something that looks like a pencil. Click on it and you'll see pencil. And then you click on that pencil again, and then you'll be able to circle. Now do that now.
Uh, I don't know.
Have you seen it?
Uh, no. I don't know.
Okay, so this is the main idea in the supporting opinion. And this is the main idea in the, hold on. And this is the main idea in the opposing opinion. Okay? Now, did you see how I circled them? Now, this is the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion. These are the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion. Do you see it? Do you see it,
Yes.
Wayne? Good.
Yes.
And here too, these are the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion. These are the supporting ideas. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Now, do you see it, Win? Do you see what I did?
Yes.
Good. Now, for your homework, I want you to make a debate video. In the video, I want you to debate that learning school subjects is better than learning practical skills. Do you understand, Win?
Yes.
Make a video debating that learning school subject is better than learning practical skills. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. So we'll stop here. Any question?
No.
Okay, so see you next week. Bye, Win.
Goodbye, teacher.